My side of the office is super boring. Dave's is way more fun. So we're gonna use that as a background. Today on Misfit Mutts Garage, I'm just gonna catch you back up on the E36 build. I know I said in the last video I was gonna film a lot of the removal of the M50B20 engine out of the Touring, but yeah, I haven't been. Mostly because it's a huge project and I'm not exactly super comfortable working on cars like to this extent yet. So I'm worried about filming a lot of failure. But I'm gonna try to push through that and get more. So let's head into the shop. This is like our little office space, but let's head into the shop and I'll show you what we've got so far. All right, so we are back. We're full of tacos, and we're going to pull this engine tonight. Or try to. I did drop a stone into the oil pan, so I made sure to mark it on the cover. All right, so now that the music is off, let me just kind of walk you through what I've already done here. Obviously, I've removed the front clip. That's all gone. All the wiring moved aside here. The wiring that connects to this and kind of goes in the back, that's gone. It's over there. All out, nice one nice big piece. Intake is out. Power steering, out. This charcoal canister, that's out.
Just a little bit of rust.
A little bit of rust in the eye. Yeah. Good thing you got that out.
Yeah.
And for the most part, I have been doing this. Right now, Dave is working on the drive shaft because 2 weeks ago when I was working on the exhaust, I popped my shoulder out of place. And now I really don't want to be under the car working with my arms up. So I'm making Dave do it.
You know, in retaliation, I'm drawing dicks on his wheels, and
because I guess I should probably clean some of that brake dust off.
Just a little. Just a little.
The rears are all right. We'll clean it after the end of swap's done.
And put a lift in.
I hear it's more of an electrician problem.
Oh, what's that?
I hear it's more of an electrician problem at this point.
Yes.
And yes, you may have noticed we have a lift.
Right?
I'm talking to the camera. You may have noticed we have a lift. It is not plugged in yet. We need power, so that's why it's not being utilized. And a little Mini is in there, and a cool little BMW bike. That thing's cool as hell. And then a Rangy in the back. But yeah, lift goes over one of our beams. It's pretty great, ready to go, except for power. Just needs power. Now let's see what we can see under here. What fun we have. So the exhaust and the heat shield are off. I got this little heat shield still left. Maybe I'll pop that off too. Or not, probably leave it.
Today we'll be testing the ultimate tensile strength of a piece of webbing.
If you think this is problematic, leave a comment.
Yeah.
Let us know why.
We will ignore it.
Because we would have already done this. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, let's make this a little safer.
Should we take the jack out and just leave it on the stand?
Take the jack out.
Oh yeah, I forgot we had the rear end jacked up.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm still very new at this, but I didn't undo the grounding strap right there, so I'm gonna do that.
Well, that's what the engine place is for, to test the strength of all of these parts.
There's so much sand. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, it drove fine, so.
Yeah.
Look at all this fucking sand.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Came from down near Dartmoor, right?
It came from Plymouth.
Yeah. Lots of trips to the beach.
Looks like it lived in the beach.
Probably. That's why it's so rusty.
Yeah, so rusty.
No. And aluminum block.
Yeah.
You're so horny for that aluminum block.
Oh, it's, yeah. You just pump it up to 3.2 liters.
Yeah. Pretty light.
Yeah. You know, compared to...
Yeah. That's fucking earlier.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got the engine out. Kevin's taking the transmission. He's going to use it because I don't need it. And then we're going to stick the engine into the coupe for storage. So if anybody sees this and really wants a shitty E36 coupe with a less shitty motor, yeah, just shoot me some offers.
Yeah. Or we'll just cut it up for rally parts.
Yeah, that'll probably be what happens.
Yeah.